So, whether you're looking to live in a foreign country someday, just want to work from home in the current coronavirus environment, or want to restructure your career to be able to work remotely forever, read on for 17 ways you can make money online. It's valuable information to have during this current economic crisis and beyond. After that, we've got these creative money making ideas from the international living list that we dream about doing when the world gets back to normal. 1. Sell your photos. Do you have photo skills or live in an area where images are in demand? Stock photography websites are huge repositories of photographs covering almost every possible subject you could imagine, advises International Living. So, how does it work? Photographers can upload their images to any one of a number of huge databases, allowing magazine editors, designers, or any organization with a website to buy them. And the beauty of stock websites, photos can be sold any number of times, so you can continue to make money without any effort. Photography sites to check out include Shutterstock, PhotoShelter, and Getty Images. 2. Create how-to videos. In recent years, YouTube has grown into the go-to source for all manner of video courses and guides, says International Living. Instructors can monetize their videos by charging a subscription fee or password protecting content for paying customers only. This article shares some tips from one real estate agent who made $100,000 in 1 month on YouTube. Another piece of advice from International Living: get to know the phrases that people search for. To find potential search phrases, start typing "how to" your topic into YouTube's search bar and notice what phrases are generated in the autofill drop-down. Make sure to use the same keywords when you write your video title, description, and tags. 3. Become a copywriter. Want to earn a great income no matter where you live, a house by the sea in Latin America, an historic European city, or even on a Greek island? Copywriting could be ideal for you. According to International Living, copywriting is a mega industry, ripe with opportunity and yearning for people who can fuel it with fresh marketing messages. And one of the best benefits of the freelance copywriter's lifestyle is that you can get paid in US dollars, yet live virtually anywhere in the world. Express Writers has tips on how to become a copywriter and is also a resource for jobs. 4. Teach English. If you're a native English speaker, you may not realize it, but you already have the number one qualification you need for a fun, portable income that can hand you a steady paycheck from anywhere in the world, says International Living. Some resources include Guvacies.com, Teachaway, teach English online to Chinese students, a tutor group, teach English online to Taiwanese children and adults, and English Hunt. 5. Turn your interests into a podcast that pays. Podcasting doesn't have to be complicated, says International Living. With a microphone, laptop, and free recording software, you'll be up and running. Plus, podcasts don't need to run every day, once a week is best, and are better when they're short. There are a number of ways to make money from a podcast. The most obvious is commercial sponsorship, but you can also use it as a platform to advertise your own products or services. 6. Set up a content and web development business. Do you know how to do web and content development? You can offer these services to anyone via online tools that make developing beautiful websites a snap. Some resources include WordPress, Weebly, and Joomla.
7. Become a translator and interpreter. Do you speak another language? Anywhere you find expert communities, and where English is not the first language, you'll find a need for interpreting and translation services. You can also do translation and interpretation online. You'll find a number of resources for being a translator or an interpreter here. One of the best is WeLocalize, which ranked at the top of this list of the top 20 companies for remote jobs in 2020. 8. Try drop shipping. Have you heard of drop shipping? It's a method of retail where the seller doesn't actually have a physical inventory. Instead, when a customer makes an order, you purchase the item from a third party, and they ship it directly to the customer. This means you'll never have to fork over a single dime to store your products or maintain your inventory, advises International Living. And you'll never have to buy products in bulk, hoping to sell enough to recoup your investment. This method can be done with online selling platforms like eBay or Amazon. You can find out more about drop shipping in this helpful article from Shopify. 9. Tutor. Establishing your own tutoring service can be a lucrative business that provides you with a comfortable and flexible lifestyle, advises International Living. The best part of all, you can set up a tutoring business in almost any country in the world. A tip: offer discounts to clients who promote your business. Word of mouth marketing is still one of the most valuable marketing tools you can have when starting out, advises International Living. The site tutors.com has a list of the best online tutoring jobs, and you can also apply to be a tutor at tutorme.com. 10. Become a freelance proofreader. Proofreading is another lucrative online career. Most agencies will pay around 25% of the price of a translated document to a proofreader, advises International Living. Agencies charge about $75 for the translation of a 5-page standard business document. So proofing the same document, which takes about an hour, pays out about $18 to $20. You can work full-time, part-time or around the clock. Media Bistro, a site that offers resources for media professionals, has tips on how to become a proofreader. 11. Type for cash. Are you a fast typist? Transcribing is simple. Listen to an audio file through headphones and type it out. As a transcriber, your pay is directly related to how fast you type, advises International Living. Transcription jobs are paid by the audio hour, the length of the audio file, rather than by the hour worked. The time spent on a transcript is influenced by the audio quality, background noise, the accent of the speaker and the speed at which people speak. The average transcriber, typing between 75 and 100 words per minute, will complete one audio hour in 4 hours worked. Consider the company Rev.com, which hires freelance transcribers. 12. Create a money-making blog. Do you have an area of expertise? Share your advice on a blog. If travel is your area of expertise, think about what you have to offer. Are you an expert in luxury travel or budget travel? Can you share advice about certain activities like hiking or shopping? The more specific you get, the easier it'll be to attract an engaged audience and to earn money with your site, advises International Living. The sites Squarespace and Wix have tips on how to create blogs and can also host them. 13. Tap into the ebook business. The ebook business is a great way to earn money. You can create your own. Kindle has a guide for how to do it. Or find a book that's already been published in print and license it to publish online. You can pay the author 8 to 15% royalties based on net sales or a one-time payment for the online publishing rights. 14. Set up an online course or go beyond writing an e-book and create a whole online course with tutorials, PDF downloads and videos. It's a great way to create passive income because people will pay for the info and can go at their own pace or post questions related to the course in a dedicated group. Here's one resource for creating and selling online courses, Learn Worlds, which makes it possible for anyone to profit from their knowledge and experience by creating an online program. 15. Become a life coach or even a travel coach. Life coaching is a thought-provoking and creative process that helps people focus on both personal and professional goals, advises International Living. People use life coaching to overcome fears, boost their self-confidence, create goals and instill success-oriented habits. You can find thousands of online training programs on how to be a life coach, and many certification programs offer an entire website setup once training is completed. If travel is your area of expertise, you can even become a travel coach. Read this story about a travel writer who became a travel coach. 16. Become an audiobook narrator. Audiobooks are an increasingly popular form of entertainment. The convenience factor of smartphones has led to an industry boom, advises International Living. That's creating a demand for freelance narrators. This site has advice on learning how to become an audiobook narrator. 17. Internet research and surveys. Another way to make good money is by surfing the internet in your spare time or filling out online surveys. If you're looking for a way to make an extra $1,000, $2,000 a month part-time, then internet research is for you, advises International Living. Add the site QME to your browser, and if you click on a search result, you'll earn money. You can also earn cash for taking QME surveys and sharing your opinions on brands. Other survey sites include Survey Boards, Survey Junkie and Valued Opinions. Another way to make a series of small cash rewards while on the go. With the new app Current, travelers can make up to an extra $600 a year by simply listening to music and performing various tasks. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe.